Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Boy, have I got a treat for you this week. Cheesy garlic knots. You like garlic bread? This is garlic bread with a cheesy twist you won't believe. Gotta love it, I'm telling you. You want to see how I made these? Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, so we're going to start with some good old Colby Jack and quality Sharp Cheddar. I'm going to shred up a decent amount. I like to shred my cheese because it melts much better than the pre-shredded cheese. Gonna mix that all together. Oh yeah, I can taste this already. Now time for the butter. 1.5 sticks of melted butter. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Give that a little stir. Set that aside. Now for the dough. Good quality Pillsbury biscuit dough works for this. Separate them onto some wax paper. Peel each biscuit apart in about 2 or 3 pieces. This gave me a hard time because they were still pretty warm. You need to be cold for this. Now you get the baking dish ready with some ham. And we're going to coat each slice with some good old garlic butter. Now I'm going to add the cheese and close each of them up. As you can see, this gives me a hard time because they were a little bit warm. So the first time around takes some getting used to. We'll see if we can have some better luck on the second time around. Okay, ready for round 2. These biscuits are a little bit colder, so they're peeling a lot easier. And just like the first time, add some garlic butter to the top. I'll flatten them out a little bit, make sure that they fold up easier. Add the cheese to it and pat it down a little bit. This will also help make it fold up easier. Now we fold them up, put them in a dish. Much easier the second time around. Now we're going to clean that up. We're going to add another coat of the garlic butter to the top of these awesome garlic knots that you're going to have here. Oh, you're going to love it. I can smell the garlic as I'm putting it on right now. These are going to taste so good. Now we're going to sprinkle the remaining cheese across the top of the dough balls. Put them in an oven about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Ought to do the trick here. Fresh out of the oven. You know it. More butter. Oh yeah. Smells so good. Time to separate them into individual pieces. Just look at this. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed making it. Homestead Kitchen Living. Old guy, new recipe. Once a week. Tune in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget, always, always, always give thanks to your Creator for the food that He's endowed and blessed us with. Once again, thanks for watching.